Okay, I'm out on my maiden voyage with the kayak trolling motor experiment. Had a couple of failures with the strength of the mount. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna try not to drop my iPhone and ruin it, but it's a cooler. I got turnbuckles, strapped it down, 2x4 trolling motor right here. I actually reversed the propeller down on the bottom, so I'm actually going forward in reverse and backwards and forward because it's just way too powerful. Even in the low gears and forward, the boat weighs 53 pounds. I weigh about 200, and battery's about 40. So a Minn Kota 55-pound thrust obviously can move a bass boat around. So you can imagine what it can do to this. But maybe we can get some perspective. That's probably I don't know, 75 yards away. There's another one over there, probably, I don't know, it's hard to tell across the water. It's got to be a few hundred yards. So here we go. First gear. Able to maneuver pretty smoothly. And let's kick it into second. And then third gear really cranks it up. I'm fighting an incoming tide right now, but as you can see, we're moving along nicely. Okay, so stop here, and as you can see, we made quite a distance in that short amount of time. So overall, if everything holds together, this should open up a lot more areas to fish, because I can only paddle a few miles in a day, and also in striper season it's going to be really great to be able to troll without trying to do it paddling. So that's it. Guess it works. See ya.